So instead of visualizing your data like this, you can do it this way. Is equals to left, hit on tab. On text I put 1, comma. The number of times will be the cell that you'll be generating the visuals from. Then you cross your bracket, hit on enter, double click on this corner to drag your formula down. And now you have your data visualized. If you want to calculate the totals for this, you can use a formula like is equals to sum, then you highlight, close the bracket, you hit enter, and then you'll have to repeat this for all the tables. That's tiresome. There is a better way of doing this. Highlight the first table, press and hold control key, then highlight the cells in the next table. Without releasing control, go to the other table and highlight all the cells. If you have additional tables, do the same for each and every of those tables. Release control and hit alt is equals to, then you should have all your totals calculated. So in this table, we want to delete all the blanks. It will take a long time deleting a row after the other. So this is the fastest way of doing that. Highlight the whole table, then press Ctrl G, go to will open, click on special, check on blanks, then click on OK. All the blanks will be highlighted. If you want to remove them, press Ctrl minus. We want to shift the cells up, check on this option, hit OK, and all the cells which are empty will disappear. So in this column, I have some cells which are duplicates, and I want to remove all of them and remain with the clean data. So this is how you go about it. Hit on is equals to, then unique. I hit on tab to autofill, and then the column, highlight the first cell, Control Shift down to highlight all the data in that column. Then I close the bracket, hit on enter, and now we are able to get rid of all the duplicates. If you want to resize your rows and your columns to accommodate the data that is inside the cells, highlight the whole of your sheet. For the column, drag your mouse to anywhere in between two columns. Your cursor will turn to a plus sign, then double click on it. For the columns, do exactly the same. Go between two columns, double click, and all the data will auto resize. If you don't want to use your mouse, you can use these shortcuts. Press on Alt, then press on H, then next go to O, then I. So that's for the column. For the rows, you press on hold Alt, then you start with H, then press O, then finish with A, and you're good to go. So we can use a single formula to join all of the cells into a single cell. And this is the formula, is equals to TEXTJOIN. Then delimiter, I want to use semicolon to separate the emails so that it will be easy for me to paste in Gmail. Opening speech marks, then semicolon, I close the speech marks, then comma. You can type true to ignore all the empty cells, which is what I want. Then put a comma, and then the range, highlight the first one, then Control Shift down, then close the bracket like that, hit on enter. So you can just copy that one cell, go to your email and paste everything. If you're gaining value from these videos, kindly give us a subscription and like the video. Hit the notification bell because we have so much lined up for you. We can continue the conversation down in the comment region, and we are going to meet in the next video.